Drift switch high-impact UV stabilized PBT, PC body. The heavy-duty protective stop control belt misalignment switch is made for applications requiring a unit that caters for high-speed belt applications. Having a cam-driven drift alarm micro switch with direct opening action and direct opening action trip micro switch. The cams are individually adjustable for finer alarm and trip points. The switch may be ordered in either the standard right-handed shaft operation or left-handed shaft. Its unique dual-direction sprung cam operator system coupled with the IP6667 high-speed roller ensures long, trouble-free operation, in the most severe environmental situations. Drift switch 316 stainless steel body. The heavy-duty belt misalignment switch is made for applications requiring a unit which caters for high-speed belt applications. Having a pre-worn trip contact and a final trip contact, both individually adjustable. Dual operation, i.e., right hand, left hand is also available. Its unique spring cam operator ensures long, trouble-free operation, in the most severe environmental situations. Phone power control products on 9256-2133. powercontrol.com.au or email sales@powercontrol.com.au.